Sounds of Mexico is an international platform for the promotion of Mexican classical music and the collaboration between Mexican musicians and artists from other countries. Through this platform, we program concerts in different cities, and we present a mixture of repertoire, musicians, and ensembles, all stemming from Mexico and from the countries that we are visiting. The innovative character of the project lies in the fact that instead of being a traditional classical music festival, Sounds of Mexico is a traveling artistic organization that has its main goal the artistic exchange between different cultures, between performers and composers, and between artists and audiences. In each one of the cities that the project visits, we create a local network that includes halls, audience, collaboration with local artists, and local economic support. This allows to present a series of concerts on a yearly or biannual basis. Sounds of Mexico was created by Mexican composer and guitarist Santiago Guitiérrez Bolio, and in collaboration with the Mexican Embassy in Copenhagen.
Our project is called Sounds of Mexico, and the idea is to make an international network to share our Mexican classical music. We have a very rich history and a very rich culture that got very mixed with the European culture when it came to over there to America. And I think that mixture and that combination lives through the music, even into our own time and into contemporary music.
Since the project's first edition, during the fall of 2008, it has presented 25 concerts in 8 different cities in 6 different countries, as well as presented 16 international artists and commissioned 8 new works. During the 2010 season alone, Sounds of Mexico presented 17 concerts in Reykjavik, Copenhagen, The Hague, Rotterdam, Amsterdam, Helsinki, and Vitoria-Gasteiz.